between Justin Gaethje and Tony Ferguson.
I mean, the elbow he hit against Josh Thompson to split him open was unbelievable. And couple that with the college wrestling background, and every time you step into the octagon with Ferguson, you know you're going to have your hands full. From him walking to the octagon, dancing, to getting in there and rolling. He's a guy that when you put him at the top of the marquee, people show up. People want to watch Justin Gaethje compete because you know you're almost watching we go to these videos on YouTube and all these other things because we want to see action.
Herb Dean, third man in the octagon for this one.
Ready. Ready to fight?
Well, the buzzword out of Dana White's mouth this week has been violence, and rightfully so. This is bulletproof matchmaking here. Tony Ferguson and Justin Gaethje, two prolific finishers. One man is the human highlight reel. The other may be the greatest lightweight in UFC history. Ferguson versus Gaethje. Thank you. Finally is upon us. Oh, beautiful jab there from Gaethje, who just might be the most watchable fighter in the UFC.
It's so fun to call a Justin Gaethje fight. People think he's reckless. People think he's a wild man. But Trevor Whitman has him locked in. His technique is beautiful when he strikes.
Oh, really using his reach advantage there as he lands the punch, DC. Oh, spinning back fist. He didn't telegraph that one at all. Big right hand. Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by this gentleman.
Quick entry here.
Nice single leg entry. Rotates ahead outside to a high crotch. Oh my God, he switched the arm to a high crotch, rotated and took him for a ride. That was a big takedown.
Oh, he's got the knee on the belly. Could be trouble defensively. All right, so he's sort of turtled up here. Not great body language. Perhaps he's trying to bait him in a little bit.
He is throwing a fast, straight, hard jab. That's not a feeler jab. That's one that's really knocking the head back. Oh, you gotta watch him attacking submissions. He throws the legs up to try to get a triangle choke here. Oh, wow, oh!
And he's out. Strong bottom work here, staying busy. Oh, how good is that? The diving punch lands flush to the head. So just over 20 total strikes now for Justin Gaethje. Oh, and he's back up again.
Look at him drive his shins into the opponent's body with that body kick.
Oh, that's a big connection for Justin Gaethje, and really just loves being in that octagon. I'm not sure anybody loves fight night as much as Gaethje.
People don't enjoy being in someone's face, getting punched and landing punches as much as Justin Gaethje. He's right where he wants to be. Look at him whip his hip into that kick.
Focus there again. Quick level change.
Oh, he went single, rotate head outside. This dude's going for a ride. Oh, he flipped him over the top. What a fantastic takedown.
I love watching this guy move on the ground. Another nice transition there.
Such a high-level grappler. You don't see that very often.
Oh, nice job working hard, posting, and getting back up. All right, good movement by him here on the ground. He really is a master of these transitions.
He is a master of movement on the ground. You never know where he's going to be.
All right, a lot of tremendous striking action in that last round, DC. I know you don't have a telestrator, but take us through the replay.
I mean, I would love to have my telestrator right now. That was a great display of high-level mixed martial arts striking. Both combatants stood toe-to-toe and let it all hang out.
It's the control on the ground that's winning this fight. You are controlling every aspect of the ground.
All right, DC, second round is getting underway. Round one, not the round of the year necessarily, but some good in there.
And it's not always gonna be. You have two very talented fighters, and sometimes it's very even. That's what we saw in round number one.
Well, these are some excellent ground and pound strikes here, DC. There's an efficiency with which he operates in these situations.
He knows exactly when to throw, exactly when to hold, and it's allowing him to really control the grappling aspect of the fight.
There's a song there, right? Know when to hold him,
Know when to fold him.
That's a center blow right there, DC. He's rocked.
That was a beautiful hook. It landed perfectly very bad. Ooh, head kick lands, he's hurt.
All right, so he's landed some good shots tonight, but this is not a combo meal, right? No three-piece, no soda. It's one and done more often than not.
John, don't you come to me without a combo. I want the whole...
Oh, nicely done as he gets the takedown.
Now the guy's got armbar. He's attacking it on him.
Posturing up now. Nicely done. Strong bottom work here, staying busy. Oh, back up again. You can't hold a good man down.
Oh, that was a big takedown. Is this the one that's going to break him?
Well, there are few things more fun to watch in mixed martial arts than these type of transitions and scrambles on the ground.
High-level grappling can really be entertaining.
Oh, and he's back up again. Those get-ups have been there for him all night. So a much different approach from him here in round two.
Take him down, cut him. Take him down, cut him. Over and over, he's securing these takedowns.
All right, the ref is going to step in here. Wasn't seeing enough action. He lets him back up. He blocks the punch.
Big punch lands over the top. How's he going to follow this one?
Ferguson's lower jaw now starting to show signs of swelling. Man, he's just got a great feel for the striking realm early in this one.
The timing is on point.
He's masterful from here.
Oh, he went to a single, switch to a high crotch. Big slam takedown. That was beautiful.
Oh, that's got to be discouraging as he gets right back up again. Oh, he landed a beautiful straight punch there, DC. He's got an edge in reach and certainly is making it count in this one.
He has a commitment to kicking tonight, and it shows.
Oh, he got everything behind that kick. "30 seconds now to go in the round." Big knee lands there.
That knee hurt him.
Changes levels now, DC.
Oh, man, he was in a single, got to a high crotch, takes him for a ride, slams him on his back. What a takedown.
How's that feel? Well, I'm not sure the extent to which he has recovered, but we do see the end of the round. DC, talk us through the replay.
Well, he's a tough guy. He's going to make it to the stool. He's going to survive unless you put him completely out of there. Unfortunately, he's in there with a guy that does have that ability.
All right, pretty good back and forth action in the previous two rounds. Your expectations here as this next round gets over?
I expect the action to really pick up now. These guys have to lay it on the line as we start to approach the end of the fight.
All right, bottom fighter here, maybe looking to hip escape, DC. Oh, nice work from the bottom. Tags him with the punch. Well, you know, I don't like the gi very much, but I have an appreciation and a healthy one for these type of transitions.
You can tell he's been in the gi at some point in his life with the way that he moves so freely.
I'm skipping jiu-jitsu next week, too.
Now the guy's got armbar. He's attacking it on him.
Bottom fighter trying to control.
Now he's okay. Now he can escape.
Good movement by him here, transitioning very well on the ground tonight.
Step for step, he's staying with his opponent in every transition.
Gaethje gets back up again. Nice jab by Gaethje. Man, look how flexible those legs are. He's got him in rubber guard. I don't think I could do that much.
I mean, John, don't sell yourself short. You just might be able to do it. But if you do, John, you're doing it with the idea that you're slowing everything down as a defensive fighter. There are submissions right there.
Oh, he gets tagged there. Nice combination to the head. Ferguson's lower jaw is just nasty at this point. Really swollen in that area now. Well, good news, bad news, right? The strike there lands, but just not much steam on it because his gas tank seems...
Oh, he's hurt bad. He's hurt bad, John.
quick level change now.
He went single into a high crotch. Oh, he's taking his dude for a ride. He flips him over the top. What a huge takedown.
I mean, do I survive that, or would I read my last rights?
Absolutely not. You don't survive it. It's over. It's over, John.
Oh, nice job to get back up again. You don't want to hang out on the ground with this guy.
Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back to range.
Twist on the elbow. DC, he is officially run.
A big, massive hook that really has put his opponent on skates.
Well, anytime you are in a ground fighting situation with this fighter, you're potentially playing with fire. A swing and a miss by Gaethje.
Right hand punch from the clinch.
Huge strike lands there, DC.
Landed that massive shot. Now we need to try to find the next shot, a follow-up shot that will finish the fight.
What else can you say but what a fight?
This is a really, really close fight.
Stop.
All right, so a lot to like over the distance of that fight tonight. Clearly, we think we saw one guy win the fight and largely got it done with the striking.
Yeah, he got it done with the striking. And that's exactly what he's known for. He's known as a guy that's so comfortable whenever he's in the stand-up. And that showed tonight as he truly outworked his opponent.
We'll see how the judges saw it. Here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards for decision. All 3 judges score this contest 9-28. Declaring the winner by unanimous decision, Justin